Hello my friends and welcome, my name is Dennis and today I have a training here, so we need to open the exit doors and make the overwing exit. It's a kind of casual training we have, and here we have a CFM56-7 next generation Boeing 737 engine. I think this one is new. It should be put it inside the airplane. It's stored, as you can see. Nice. Huge engine. So hey guys, I just want to tell you some things about this engine construction. We have CFM56/7 Bravo engines installed on Boeing 737s, widely used in aviation, not only on Boeings but also on Airbuses. And this engine is turbofan engine. Why it's turbofan but not turbojet? Because it has a huge fan on the front, so the single stage fan is just on the front, 1 meter and 55 centimeters in diameter. It's quite a lot. And I said to you before that the fan blades, they are 24 wide chord blades, and they are made of titanium actually. And after that fan we have a 3-stage low pressure compressor. Why it's low pressure? Because it's mounted on a low pressure spool. But just after, behind this low pressure compressor, we have a 9-stage high pressure compressor mounted on a high spool. So together those compressors can compress the air, and the air will become very hot, more than 400 degrees centigrade. And after this, compressed air goes to combustion chamber. The combustion chamber is easy to produce. It's annular type of combustion chamber. So compressed air from compressor and the fuel from fuel tank meet all together in combustion chamber. They ignites and the burning process is ongoing. After that, the hot air extends and just hit the turbine. We have a single stage high pressure turbine which is interconnected with a high pressure compressor. And after that, the hot air continues to hit the 4-stage low pressure turbine which is connected with our fan and low pressure compressor. And then we have the thrust. Almost 80% of all thrust is produced by huge fan on the front. Guys, here I just want to show you the N1 stage. So we have a huge fan on 737 MAX and on the Airbus 320 now. This fan is even larger. It has more bypass ratio like here. So we have a gap here, and on 737 MAX and Airbus it's even bigger. Also on a MAX we have less blades compared to this fan, and these fan blades are made of metal, as you can see. You can hear metal. And on a new generation of CFM engines is some kind of composite material. So the fan blades are made of composite materials. The spiral, as you can see, it's a standard spiral we can find on CFM engines. Later maybe I'll film the video what does this spiral mean. The compressed air goes to the combustion chamber over here. The fuel goes through these fuel lines, and after that it ignites there, and we have a turbine. It's now blocked, and as you can see there's a lot of accessories here. It's a duct line for air supply. Accessory box on Airbus, it is located underneath the engine, and here on the NG it's located on the side. So we have oil pumps, filters, valves, lines, etc. Accessory gearbox. Now guys, you just see the engine. It's totally naked without any cores, and you can see a lot of lines and tubes and systems mounted on this engine. And first it may seem confusing, but I'll just briefly tell you about these systems. So here we have a pneumatic starter duct and starter valve with manual override, engine air starter, integrated drive generator, hydraulic pump, scavenge oil filter, lubrication unit, fan cowl panel drains, IDG oil cooler. IDG means integrated drive generator. Hydromechanical unit as well we have here, fuel pump assembly, main oil fuel heat exchanger, accessory gearbox itself, as huge element we have, electronic engine control alternator, fuel nozzle filter, pre-cooler control valve, bleed air pre-cooler, pressure regulator and shutoff valve, 5th stage bleed air check valve, 9th stage regulator valve, burner staging valve, fuel manifold, exhaust gas temperature indicating system, low pressure turbine active clearance control manifold, exhaust plug assembly. Actually guys, pilots are not required to know all about these systems because we are not the maintenance personnel, we are not technicians, so some part of it of course we should know, but not all of them. So we barely see the naked engine in our pilot career. So this is the engine on the airplane, and you can see if you open this door, this huge hatch, you can have access to the accessory gearbox, and you can have a full access to aircraft engine systems, etc. Quite nice feature for 737. And you don't need to have any leather or something, just maybe this small one. So guys, it was just a brief review in our hangar over here, and yeah, this is the same engine, same as here. Nice.